Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the most trusted and detailed reviews on the best products in the market. Today, we're talking about the best girl car seat out there. The Graco Grows4Me 4-in-1 convertible car seat in the West Point design. If you're a parent looking for a car seat that grows with your child, ensures top-tier safety, and offers maximum comfort for every journey, this is the one to look at. Let's dive in. The Graco Grows4Me is a true long-term solution. This isn't just a regular car seat. It's a 4-in-1 system designed to adapt as your child grows from an infant to a preteen. The transitions are seamless and well thought out. It starts as a rear-facing harness seat for your newborn, then converts into a forward-facing harness seat, then to a high-back booster, and finally becomes a backless booster for the final years. This is truly a one-time investment that can be used for up to 10 years. Now let's talk about ease of use and comfort, because that's what makes this product stand out. The Simply Safe Adjust harness system makes it incredibly easy to adjust both the harness and headrest together. No rethreading, no reinstallation, just a quick and simple move. And the 10-position headrest grows with your child, making sure every stage of their development is supported with proper comfort and safety. Another feature we love is the 6-position recline. It helps you get the right angle for your child at every stage, and also adds comfort especially on longer trips. Whether it's a short drive to daycare or a long road trip, your little one will be snug and relaxed. Let's move on to installation. The Graco Grows4Me uses latch connectors for fast and easy installation. It feels secure, and most importantly, you're never left wondering if you've done it right. It's all built in to guide you toward a solid, safe fit. Of course, safety is paramount, and Graco doesn't compromise here. This car seat is engineered with Graco Protect Plus. That means it's been rigorously crash tested to handle frontal, rear, side, and even rollover crashes. The frame feels sturdy, and the seat gives you confidence every time you buckle your child in. The fabric and materials used are soft, breathable, and durable. The West Point design brings a classy, modern look that fits beautifully with any car interior. And if you're specifically shopping for a girl, the styling here is gender-neutral but elegant, making it a versatile and stylish choice. As parents, we know life gets messy. That's why it's great that the seat pad is machine washable. Cleanup is easy and quick, which is a lifesaver when you're dealing with spills and snacks on the go. To sum it up, the Graco Grows4Me 4-in-1 car seat is a smart, safe, and stylish choice for parents who want one product to handle all stages of car seat safety. It's reliable, thoughtfully designed, and built to last through every adventure, big or small. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Product Critique, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any of our deep dives into the best products for your family. Drop your questions in the comments, and let us know what you'd like us to review next. See you in the next video.